The Yamaha HL500 is one of the most exciting motocross bikes that was first introduced in 1975. The model is based on the platform of the Yamaha XT500 motorcycle, which was a popular enduro bike of its time. The Yamaha HL500 was built to compete in motocross racing, with a modified engine designed to provide superior performance on off-road courses. And it succeeded in creating a bike that had a unique combination of the power of a powerful 4-beat engine and a lightweight frame. Although the Yamaha HL500 is no longer in mass production, its history and racing heritage remain an inspiration to many motorcycle racing enthusiasts. Many classic motorcycle enthusiasts still appreciate the beauty and reliability of the Yamaha HL500, making it one of the legendary models from Yamaha. Recently, a concept from designer Obadon Bezi has surfaced, the new Yamaha HL700 Twin, which is expected to launch in 2025. The bike is designed to be the most aggressive, powerful and lightweight model in Yamaha's line of off-road bikes, equipped with a 700cc twin-cylinder engine. The bike is built to deliver unrivaled power and performance. The front-facing twin-cylinder 700cc engine ensures optimal balance and superior handling, making it easy to tackle the most difficult terrain, designed with precision and a relentless focus on performance. The Yamaha HL700 has a soft yet strong frame that is lightweight and extremely durable, with advanced suspension, the best brake system and ergonomic design. However, we all need to know that this is not official information from Yamaha Motorcycles. This is just a concept that most enthusiasts are looking forward to in the future. Thanks for watching.